Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix 100% disk usage of Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue which is 100% disk usage in your task manager, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to press Windows plus R to open run command, and here you have to search for services.msc. Then press OK or enter from your keyboard. It will open services tag. Here you just have to scroll down and just look for sys main service. So here once you get it, you just have to right click on it and then click on stop. So once you have stopped sys main, you can also try to restart it, or you can go back and here just click on the search option or the window button and just search for adjust appearance and performance of Windows. Press open from here and just click on adjust for best performance, then press apply and then OK. So once you have done, it might fix your issue, or if it's still not fixed your issue, go to Windows again or the search option again, go to settings, and in settings you just have to look for apps, and here you go to startup apps. Now in your startup apps you have to make sure that this service is disabled for unnecessary apps you want to run on your PC startup. So once you have done, it might help you to fix your issue. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to update your storage driver. So just simply go to search and just search for device manager. And now in the device manager, you have to look for disk drivers or your storage drivers. Search the storage controllers, expand it, right click on it and click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. Now you have to do the same thing with your disk drivers. Once you updated your disk drivers, just restart your PC, and after restarting your issue will be fixed and you might not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.